Hello, Team Awesome. Welcome back to another video. And today, right now, I just went upstairs from my basement, and while I was in my hallway going upstairs, we heard this loud boom. So me and Brendan are gonna go check it out. Brendan, I'm just gonna leave my gun up here since I have the camera.
Wait.
You go first.
Okay, I'll go first. I have the gun.
So
What
Brendan has a
flash?
Nerf gun. I don't know.
Yeah,
It just sounded like this. Like, it sounded like this.
we were down here.
It sounded like that.
We were down here.
We built a
earlier.
giant fort, by the way. Check it. I don't have a lot of percentage on the phone, so it's gonna be a quick video.
And here's the inside of the fort.
I just made a jump over that.
We were down here earlier, but we didn't see anything. We're checking again.
Yeah. We still are not too sure. Turn on the light.
We're not too sure.
Okay.
Did you hear that?
What?
It was like a boom.
Oh, that was me. I was doing this.
Oh, okay. This Nerf gun has a bullet in it. So,
Bullet. Okay, Brendan, I'm just gonna leave the phone here. I wanna say something to Brendan, but it's personal. Okay. Okay, we're back, and I just finished talking to Brendan about what we're gonna do tomorrow for a video. We gotta go quick, but yeah. Whoa! Yo! Oh my god! It happened again! It made another noise! It made like the same noise. It sounded like something fell. And then, but nothing fell. Weird. Ooh, I'm just gonna end it here. Stay awesome. Subscribe. Leave a like. Comment down below. This is a great video. Join Team Awesome. I'm too creeped out. I gotta. Bye.